Hello, good afternoon. It is Luciana here, and I want to say welcome to the channel. So I am a second year gardener, first year gardener in the ground. Super excited about that. So today I come here before you because I was redoing a compost bin. One compost bin was ready with nice healthy soil, and so I started another one. And I came to this compost bin and I was about to give it a turn because on the bottom you can see that the food and the layers have started to break down. So I was looking at these and I didn't know what these were, and so I was about to just pull them up and throw them in my other compost bin that I'm working on. So I'm like, let me see. So I go to move them around and I see purple. And when I think of purple when it comes to the garden, I think of sweet potatoes. And when I tell you guys, I was not wrong. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I've never done sweet potatoes before. I don't know if this would be good or not. Let me know in the comments what I can or should do with this. But these are sweet potato slips. And I'm super excited. And I have to dig that one up. And then I'm going to turn my compost soil. I'm going to give it a stir. And here, this was the compost bin that I was starting. I did my first bin the same way as this. And when everything breaks down and nature does its job, you'll end up with this beautiful, healthy, good looking soil. I really hope y'all can hear me. I do not have my microphone and I wasn't even thinking about it. If you can't hear me, I'll just mute it and do a voiceover. And so this is nice healthy soil, and when you have that, nature does its job even more and it gives you free plants. And let me know in the comments what you think these are. But look at this, so many is growing that you can replant. Isn't this cool, guys? I am so excited. And if you really take the time out to just do some research, have patience, and have gratitude, you'll get far. And you'll really have what you need for free each year. Besides, like, just getting started or whatnot. And so, yeah.